Good morning, grade 7. Today we make a little revision on plane figures and solid shapes. A plane figure or a two-dimensional shape is a figure or a shape drawn on a two-dimensional plane. These are the plane figures that we will use more. We have a triangle, a parallelogram, a rhombus, a rectangle, a square, a trapezoid, and a circle. Their area is the area of the rectangle. If this is the base and this is the height, we have that is equal base times height. The area of triangle is 1/2 times base times height. The area of the trapezoid we have 1/2 times the height of the trapezoid times the sum of the base 1 and the base 2. And the area of the square is side length times side length, so side in the power of 2. In the area we always use the perpendicular height. If we have, as we said, the area of the rectangle is base times height, and the height is perpendicular. In the triangle is half the area of a rectangle, and so base times height over 2, where the height is always perpendicular. In the parallelogram we have base times height, where the height is always perpendicular. In the trapezium we have base A plus base B, the sum times the height over 2. And in the circle the area is pi times the power of 2 of the radius, where pi we say that is equal 3.14 or 22/7. Now we can speak about solid shapes. Solid shapes. Objects that occupy space are called solid shapes. Their surface are called faces. These are solid shapes that we will use more. We have a cube, where all the faces are square. Cuboid, where we have the two faces, cube, and the other 4 rectangle. A sphere, a cone, a square-based pyramid, a cylinder, a triangular prism, a pentagonal prism, or a trapezoidal prism. The surface area of a three-dimensional figure is the combined areas of the faces. We can find the surface area of a prism by drawing a net of the flattened figure. What is a net? A net is the shape that is formed by unfolding a three-dimensional figure, as we say in the class when we open a three-dimensional figure. In other words, a net is composed of all of the faces of the figure. These are the nets of the solid shapes that we will use more. We have a cube that we can open in this kind of figure, a triangular prism, a square prism, a rectangular prism, a pentagonal prism, and other shapes. And here we have a trapezoidal prism. In the next video we will make exercise on the nets and the surface area.